Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper of Monday, November the 27th, 2023. No, it's the additional of the weekend edition. Saturday, November the 25th, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 2 stars. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah, Jigsaw Sudoku. Come on. Yeah. Got the Jigsaw Sudoku here. Number. I believe the number 7522. Where's my pencil? Where is my pencil? Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18. Should be an easy one. Because the hard one says always 8, 9, or 10. And it's indicated with 1 star. From 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Well, first question, do we have here single boxes? I cannot see any single boxes. I see dual boxes here. Here, dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Dual box, do not know in which order, 1 and the 2. Triple boxes then. We have here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3. 3 should be there. 1 and a 2 should be one of these 2 boxes, okay? Quadra boxes then. We have quadra boxes in this puzzle. Here we have a quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We don't know in which order. More quadra boxes? Nope. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Yeah. Alright, then following shape, the S shape. If you rotate this, you will get the S shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. And that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, the S shape. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? The T shape. Let me draw this T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. This case is a 1 or a 2, but it can be 2. We have a 2 there. So this should be a 1 is connected with that box. Should be 1 box left. In this triple box for number 2. Okay. The following shape. How about this shape? Well, this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Upside down, the L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Well, I see here a shape I forgot. Here, another shape I forgot. So the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. And this shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Wow, a lot of shapes of this kind here. Okay, let's start filling the numbers. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. 3 goes there. These are 3 boxes. So round 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L shape area should be there. Is connected with that box should be so 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left with 5 in this L shape area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box should be also 4 and 5. But we already have a 4 here. Can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and 4, 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left with 5 in this T-shaped area should be there, is connected with that box, should be so 5. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Then. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, and this box can be 4. 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Then. These 2 boxes can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Then. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Yeah. Think. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well, is connected with that box should be 2 and 4. But we already have 4 there. Can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 4 and 3. We have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 3. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 and 5. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. Then this box can be a 3. Wait. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Then This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well. We solve it again. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.